Tell me, would you prefer a fairy wing necklace or would you prefer a dragon wing necklace? Join me while we take a look at some of the projects from my second book, Soldered Alchemy. These are all soft soldered jewelry projects, and I'm going to share with you the actual projects that are on the cover of the book. If you don't know me, my name is Beth Love, and I'm an artist and author, and I'm an expert in soft soldering. That's soldering without a flame or a torch, but with a soldering iron. Now, the first project I'm going to share with you is the beaded wire bangle bracelet. I really love this project because it's actually a lot easier than it looks. I used blue apatite stones for this project, and they are just the prettiest shade of blue. It's almost kind of like a teal blue green. Now, you can leave this bracelet with a silver finish, or you can do as I did and give it a black patina. I love it because it has kind of an ancient look. The next project I'm going to show you is from the back cover, and it's the spiral ring. If you've never made a ring before, this is the place to start. This easy ring was the inspiration for other rings that I've done on my YouTube channel, like this one, and the one that I do with 1 drop of solder, and I give that one a black patina. And the next project I'm going to share is the bejeweled crescent moon necklace, and I have the chain on here that I just shared with you last week, which is the popsicle chain, and you can watch the video for that and learn how to make that chain. I love this project. I love all the gems. I picked my favorites, and I also show this vertically. The first one you can see I attached the chain, and this one I dialed vertically with the loop at the top. And again, some of my favorite gemstones are on there. There's some turquoise and some amethyst and fluorite and all different kinds of gems. You can use whatever you like for this project. This is one of my favorites from the book. It was one of the most fun to create and to make and to share. And moving on to the last one I'm going to share with you. This wasn't on the cover, but I'm going to give you a peek from the inside. This is the fairy wing or the butterfly wing necklace. And this is a variation, which is the dragon wing. And that's not in the book. That's a variation that I did. But I am going to share that in a future online workshop. So if you're interested in learning how to do that, stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video and a peek at the projects from Soldered Alchemy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be back very soon with a great new soldering video for you. Don't forget to stay tuned for my newest book, the Broken China Jewelry book, which is coming to you very soon and will be available on Amazon with all my other great jewelry making books. So I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.